Hello friends, we are going to see how to measure the temperatures in various units. We know that there are various measuring units, that is degree Kelvin, degree Celsius and degree Fahrenheit. We are also going to see how to convert them into from one unit into another unit. For example, from degree Celsius to degree Kelvin to degree Fahrenheit, or degree Fahrenheit to degree Celsius. Okay, this is the basic formula for converting, where C by 5 is equal to F minus 32 by 9, which is equal to K minus 273 upon 5. This is the general formula. Now, if we want to convert the degree Celsius from Fahrenheit, we are going to use a formula where C is equal to F minus 32 into bracket 5 by 9. And if we want to convert the degree Celsius into a Fahrenheit, then we use a formula that is the reverse order, 9 by 5 C plus 32. The second formula say we can use to convert the Fahrenheit into Kelvin or Kelvin into Fahrenheit is F is equal to K minus 273 into bracket 9 by 5 plus 32, or for converting the Fahrenheit into Kelvin we have K, which is equal to F minus 32 into bracket 5 by 9 minus 273. And the third one is to convert Kelvin into degree Celsius. We have C is equal to K minus 273, or converting degree Celsius into degree Kelvin we have C plus 273. Now we are going to see how to use them to solve the numeric. Okay, express the boiling point of water in Fahrenheit and Kelvin. We know the boiling point of water is 100 degree Celsius. Okay, so now we use the formula, that is F is equal to 9 by 5 into C plus 32. Okay, substitute the value of C in the equation and we get F is equal to 212 Fahrenheit. Similarly, to find out the degree Celsius in Kelvin, what we do for C, we substitute the value of 100, that is 100 plus 273, we get the value of the temperature, that is 100 degrees Celsius is equal to 373 degree Kelvin and 212 Fahrenheit. Now express the freezing point of water in Fahrenheit and Kelvin. This is another numerical where we know that the boiling point of water was there is a correction. The freezing point of water is 0 degree Celsius. So we substitute the value of C, that is 0, in the equation, that is F is equal to 9 by 5. C obviously is 0, so we substitute and we get F is equal to 32. It is not F is equal to 32, but 0 degree Celsius is equal to 32 degree Fahrenheit. So similarly for Kelvin, conversion degree Celsius into Kelvin, we have K, which is equal to C plus 273. We substitute the value of Celsius, 0 degree Celsius in C, and therefore we get the answer of 0 degree Celsius is equal to 273 degree Kelvin. Now we will see another numerical to convert the absolute zero temperature, that is 0 degree Kelvin, to degree Fahrenheit and degree Celsius. Since we have been given, we'll first do and use it directly. See here we can have the value of K, which is 0 minus 273. So 0 minus 273 is minus 273. We use that C in the equation, that is F is equal to 9 by 5 C plus 32, and we get the answer of F, which is equal to minus 460 Fahrenheit. Okay, now we will convert 86 degree Fahrenheit into degree Celsius and degree Kelvin. Say we have been given F, so F is substituted as 86 in the first part, that is C is equal to 5 by 9 F is 86, so 86 minus 32, you get the answer, and then you substitute and you get the answer as 30 degree Celsius. K is equal to C plus 273. We substitute the value of C which we got earlier, that is 30 degrees, and then we get K is equal to 303 Kelvin.